Let's look at SharperTrades. Market is pressing higher today, went to target at 613. Next resistance is 620, above that 628 and 636. Support EMA 603, 50 SMA further down 595 and 586. CROX, keep an eye on this one. Reported earnings 4 days ago, breakout with volume, pop above the 50 SMA. I like the technicals are improving, still weak, but again, getting better. And as long as it remains above the 50 SMA, has a potential to retest these recent highs. Let's see, we're looking this one primarily. 117.76. Eventually, if it breaks through the level, there is a gap that will try to fill and possibly bring the price all the way up to 135, possibly. There are resistance in between 114, 122, 131, and the 200 SMA. Support is the 50 SMA. PTON, dislike this company, but we spotted our pull activities, gave us an entry, pullback retested above the descending trend line. It needs to break through 10 and then take out the recent high 1030. Targets are 11, 1230, and 14. Support 18 and 50 SMA basically, and we have, to be precise, 9 and 850, but those are the two moving averages I'm watching. And Upwork, keep an eye on this one. Reported earnings 4 days ago. Volume broke the 50 SMA, consolidated, and then today tried to break out, back off into the close. I'm watching for a move past this high 1815, 1820 with the targets 1950 and 2160. Support is the 50 SMA. 17 and 16 basically. And finally, VKTX, also something I'm watching, spotted into the close. I like the volume that is coming in, a good base above 28, roughly, 28.50. And with the other biotech moving up, this one might have a shot to recover some of the lost ground. It's been down quite significantly over the past several weeks. Targets are 35, 37, 50 SMA, 40, 43, and 46. Support 80 May and 29.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.